So this is my new Abuler blender, personal blender. It comes with a little recipe book, and it comes with actually 3 sizes of this canister and 2 blades and a few lids, so that once you remove the blade, all you simply have to do is put a little lid on top of the blender jar and you have your to-go drink. So right now I'm going to demonstrate, this is my first drink that I'm making. I'm going to demonstrate a banana smoothie. I have a lot of milk and a banana in there. And if you can notice, this little blender suction cups nicely to my granite countertop. I love that. It allows for stability there. So forgive my kids in the background, but I'm going to go ahead. I've already plugged it in. I'm going to drop this in there, and there's, as you can see, a little button that has to line up, and then I'm simply going to press. I simply just press down for a few seconds. Let me try to press and turn. Okay, now we're going to check it. Let's see. Don't mind while I unscrew it so you can see. Wow. It did very well. And it almost filled it right to the top there. It looks creamy and frothy there a little bit. Like I said, it was just a banana and some milk. And I wanted to give it an easy run the first time, but I'm very impressed. It's very nice and powerful for a little blender like this. And like I said, it comes with 2 other smaller canister attachments there. This is the largest one, but I really think I'm gonna like it.